Reddit stock soars 15%. AI ads, Wall Street praise explained. Imagine a social media platform that just made Wall Street do a double take. Reddit isn't just surviving in the AI advertising arms race. It's sprinting ahead, and investors are taking notice. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this stock surge a well-deserved celebration of innovation, or a hint of overconfidence in a volatile market? Let's unpack the numbers and narratives shaping this story. Reddit shares soared 15% last week after the company delivered quarterly results that left analysts scrambling to revise their projections. The secret sauce? A bold bet on artificial intelligence to transform how brands connect with users. By analyzing real-time conversations in its sprawling network of subreddits, Reddit has created a targeting system that feels less like cold advertising and more like a personalized recommendation from a trusted friend. This approach has caught the attention of major advertisers, with the company now forecasting third-quarter revenue of $535 to $545 million, a staggering 16% jump from the $473 million analysts had expected. What makes Reddit's strategy so compelling? It's all about context. Traditional ad platforms often feel like shouting into a void. But Reddit's AI tools help brands insert themselves into ongoing discussions where users are already engaged. Think of it as a digital water cooler where brands can join the conversation organically. Danny Hewson, a financial analyst at AJ Bell, explains, when you can pinpoint the exact type of consumer who's actively considering a purchase, it creates a win-win. Users get relevant content and advertisers get better results. This momentum isn't happening in a vacuum. Reddit's performance mirrors similar success stories from tech giants like Meta and Alphabet, which have also leaned heavily into AI-powered ad tools. But what sets Reddit apart is its unique position as a community-driven platform. While Meta dominates with billions of users, Reddit's strength lies in its niche communities, where conversations feel authentic rather than algorithmically manufactured. Daily active users have grown 21%, with analysts noting that even when Google's search traffic fluctuates, Reddit's core user base remains loyal, a testament to the platform's unique value proposition. And this is the part most people miss. Reddit isn't just benefiting from the AI hype. It's actively reshaping the advertising landscape. The company's 74.57 price-to-earnings ratio, based on future projections, dwarfs competitors like Pinterest, 19.39, and Snap, 27.54, raising eyebrows among value investors. Is this valuation justified by Reddit's innovative ad products and user growth? Or is the market getting ahead of itself? The debate gets even more interesting when you consider the broader economic picture. As U.S. trade policies shift and global economic uncertainty grows, advertisers are becoming more selective with their budgets. Yet platforms like Reddit are thriving precisely because they offer tools that make every ad dollar count. By helping brands create hyper-targeted campaigns, Reddit is proving that relevance trumps reach in today's fragmented digital ecosystem. But here's the elephant in the room. Can this growth story sustain itself long-term? While Reddit's international expansion and investment in new search capabilities are promising, the platform still faces challenges. How will it maintain user trust while balancing ad revenue? Can it keep its community feel as it scales? As the stock continues to climb, one question lingers. Is Reddit's current valuation a sign of justified confidence in its AI-driven future, or a reflection of market exuberance? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think Reddit is the next big thing in digital advertising, or is this a bubble waiting to burst? Share your perspective in the comments below. Reddit shares jumped 20% after beating Q2 sales and guidance. Reddit stock soared by up to 20% after the company unveiled second-quarter financial results that surpassed both sales expectations and future forecasts. This surge reflects the growing confidence investors have in Reddit's business model and growth trajectory. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this momentum sustainable in the face of evolving online competition? To break down the numbers, Reddit delivered earnings per share of 45 cents, dramatically beating analysts' estimates of 19 cents. Revenue hit $500 million, outpacing the anticipated $426 million. This impressive 78% year-over-year revenue jump was also 17% higher than what the market had predicted, marking the largest positive surprise since Reddit went public. Notably, Reddit posted a net income of $89 million during this quarter, a significant turnaround from a net loss of $10 million in the same period last year, which had been impacted by IPO-related expenses. Looking ahead, Reddit forecasts third-quarter revenue between $535 million and $545 million, well above Wall Street's estimate of $473 million. Adjusted earnings are expected to land between $185 million and $195 million, again surpassing analysts' projections of $160 million. User engagement shows remarkable strength as well. The platform's global daily active users, DAUs, grew 21% year-over-year to 110.4 million, slightly exceeding analyst expectations of 109 million. What's more, the average revenue generated per user globally reached $4.53, beating estimates of $3.90. In the U.S. alone, second-quarter sales tallied $409 million, compared to the predicted $335 million, while international revenue totaled $91 million versus the expected $89 million. Reddit's other revenue, which includes its data licensing operations, a somewhat contentious area recently flagged by regulator investigations, increased by 24% year-over-year to 35 million. The daily active users logged in globally rose 17% to 49.3 million. And for users logged out, the figure jumped 24% to 61.1 million. CEO Steve Huffman shared exciting updates about Reddit's AI-powered Reddit Answers feature, which has exploded from 1 million weekly users last quarter to 6 million now. This tool, launched in December, will be rolled out internationally and integrated more deeply into Reddit's core search system, aiming to make search an essential experience on the platform. Although Huffman didn't specify the expansion timeline, this focus on AI signals a strategic push to redefine how users interact with content online. Celebrating Reddit's 20th anniversary, Huffman expressed unprecedented enthusiasm about the company's future. He emphasized that as the internet transforms, Reddit's role as a community-driven platform fostering genuine human connections is becoming increasingly vital. However, Reddit is making strategic shifts by stepping back from some projects, including parts of its user economy, a business segment initially outlined in its IPO filings that aim to introduce features like games and digital marketplaces reminiscent of Roblox or Facebook Marketplace. This deprioritization reflects a sharper focus on Reddit's most urgent priorities, but it also raises questions about the company's future diversification plans. Investors are closely watching how changes in Google's search algorithms and the rising popularity of AI chat applications are impacting Reddit's ability to attract new users. On the earnings call, Huffman admitted that April's start was slow due to shifts in search traffic, but momentum improved as the quarter progressed. While Google traffic posed a challenge in Q2, Reddit ended the quarter on a stronger note, suggesting resilience. Huffman acknowledged that Google's development of AI features like AI Overview, which has faced criticism for inaccuracies, affects the entire digital ecosystem. Yet, he remains optimistic. highlighting that Reddit remains one of the most searched terms on Google because users actively seek Reddit's unique perspectives. Reddit aims to encourage users to access conversations directly through Reddit answers, rather than relying solely on search engines or AI chatbots. What users want is the Reddit perspective, Huffman explained. As long as that holds true, our mission is to help internet users find meaningful answers and transition them into regular Reddit users, both as seekers and engaged members. This narrative contrasts with broader tech trends, where giants like Google and Meta have recently posted strong earnings, further intensifying competition. Looking ahead, Snap and Pinterest are expected to report their quarterly results next week, which could also influence the market dynamics for platforms like Reddit. So here's a thought-provoking question. As Reddit leans more into AI and tightens focus on its core offerings, will it continue to outpace competitors and sustain this growth? Or could the deprioritization of innovative projects like the user economy limit its future potential? Share your perspectives, and let's discuss the evolving landscape of social media and digital communities.